Google Ads and company location. Okay, so if I want to run Google Ads in USA, does the company has to be registered to be in USA? Can we run with a registered company in another country like Australia? I have seen someone running ads in UK with Australian registered company. Thanks. Yeah, you can do it. It's not an issue. You can run ads from any other country to any other country. So, for instance, in your case, if you want to run ads in USA, you does not necessarily need to present in USA, but you can run ads from any other country. And yeah, it's a registered company in any other country like Australia. It's perfectly fine to run ads from an Australian company to USA. And you have seen someone running ads in UK with Australian registered company. Yeah, it's fine as well. Even if you see somebody running ads in UK which have an Australian registered company, yeah, you can do it. And even in a scenario like you're running ads in UK, your company is Australian registered, and you're living in a country like a UAE, you can still run ads. So running an ads from any location is not an issue. You can run ads in Google ads through any company location to target any country as per your preference. So I hope this answers your question. And lastly, if you need Google Ads management, you can hire me and my company through the link in the description. Our company name is aarswebs.com, a Google partner company. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.